Welcome to our tutorial on troubleshooting the E5 error on your electric fireplace heater. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Make sure the heater air outlet is not blocked and has at least 3 feet of clear space in front of it. Step 2. Perform a master reset. Turn off and unplug the unit for a few minutes. Step 3. Locate the main power button on the unit itself. Step 4. Press and hold down the main power button. Step 5. While holding the power button down, plug the electric fireplace back in. Step 6. Keep holding the button down for 5 seconds after plugging in, then release it. Step 7. You should see the temperature display 72 degrees. Step 8. Press the thermostat button to set your desired heater temperature. And there you have it! You've successfully resolved the E5 error on your electric fireplace heater. If the error is still showing, it's time to contact customer service. 1-866-661-1218